guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we've got another build for you. And anytime we touch a Raptor, the internet always has some opinions on it. This Raptor came into us as a 2022 in this awesome orange color. It did have the 37-inch package on there, so it does lower the bump stops and accommodates for the less suspension travel that it can have as a result of running the 37s. We started off leveling this truck on the Raptor Performance Group leveling kit. This is going to include a spacer and upgraded tie rods in this awesome anodized orange color. It does match a lot of the components underneath. We were on a bit of a time crunch, so we opted for the Icon upper control arms. These are going to be the billet forged upper control arms. Put this truck on the 20x10 Ferrata FTR 11s. They're going to be a -18 in Obsidian Black. Keep in mind when you are ordering on their website that Obsidian means the gloss black. The standard black is going to be a little bit more of a satin. And then we wrap those in the 37-1350 BF Goodrich KM3s. These are a great tire. I know a lot of customers do swear by them. Definitely sets off the aggressive looks that we were trying to get out of this truck. Now the customer capped this off with the Borla Atak Exhaust. You heard some sound bites in the clip back there. Here's just a few more. Give it a listen. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're gonna see you in the next video.